Check it out, y'all. It's the monorail, the Dutch monorail, right here, Dutch Wonderland. Greetings, Earthlings, Space Cadets, Freakazoids, all my misfits and creatures from all over the world. Welcome to Space for Three. Today, we are in an Amish town in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, Dutch Wonderland. I got a story for y'all about how these people teamed up with Warner Brothers to create something epic for everyone in the United States. So I invite you to come along because we got plenty of space. Alright, so here we are currently on Lincoln Highway. We're just going to take a little quick drive literally right around the corner. And we're going to pull into this hotel right here. As the sign already gave it away. Cartoon Network Hotel. Let's get into this parking lot. Look, it's Mimo from Adventure Time. So here we are pulling into the parking lot. Cartoon Network Hotel. Adventure Time themed in the entrance, and we got the perfect parking space. Check this out. Alright, so here we are, y'all. This was originally a Ramada Inn motel, and they hooked it up and they turned it into this amazingness Cartoon Network Hotel. Located on 2285 Lincoln Highway East, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Let me give you all a little backstory of this hotel as we get greeted by Adventure Time's Jake the Dog and Finn the Human. Back in 1971, it was originally opened as a Ramada Inn motel. It ran up until 1974. It reopened its doors as the Continental Inn and did business up until 2018 when the Palace Entertainment, the owners of the Dutch Wonderland theme park right next door, took over the license from Warner Brothers and reopened its doors as the Cartoon Network Hotel you see right here in 2020. Now let's go take a look inside. Here we are, y'all. Cartoon Network. Let's go. What time is it? Adventure time. Y'all already know what it is. Sugar and spice and everything nice. What the what? Please excuse me as I take a quick pit stop to the boys' room. Right, yeah, let's go do some more exploration right here. Cartoon Network Hotel, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Let's get it, y'all. So we're right here chilling on the lounge, Cartoon Network Hotel, waiting on the elevator, but they broke it. You see up top, them be messing with the elevator. I'm waiting to get on with Johnny Bravo. I don't know what's going on. Alright, yeah, so we're going to take a little sneak preview of some of the rooms. Can't really get in, but we're going to get in. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm going to show you all the outside. So over here we got the pool, which is closed right now because it is April, but it's 31 degrees out here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. It should be opening soon because we are in spring, but it's a cold day today. And then they got a splash zone for the children. So here we are at the Powerpuff Girls Splash Zone. From left to right, we got Bubbles, Blossom in the middle, and Buttercup. And then directly behind me is the indoors pool, which it is heated. There's some people in there with some kids. I'm not gonna go in there and film, but just so y'all know, they do have an indoors pool and it is climate controlled. Oh yeah, so the hotel has 165 rooms. It's 2 levels. It has a resort style swimming pool, an indoors pool, the splash zone that you see right behind me. They teamed up with Warner Brothers and they got the license approved to create the Cartoon Network Hotel right here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. The only Cartoon Network hotel in the United States. There's one more and it's located in Taiwan. But as far as the United States is concerned, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. All right, yeah, so we're still up in here. Cartoon Network Hotel. This is some of the concept art. Right here, we got some of the Powerpuff Girls concept art. Buttercup, Blossom, Bubbles. Right here is Buttercup. Then we got Blossom and Bubbles. And this is so cool. It's more concept art broken down into scenes. Powerpuff Girls. And We Bear Bears. Right here we got some Ben 10 masks. And of course, my personal favorite, Adventure Time. It's Marceline the Vampire Queen with Fiona, Princess Bubblegum, and Lumpy Space Princess. There's Jake and Finn. Alright, so here we are in Ben 10 Arcade. Here's some of the stuff they got for y'all. Alright, y'all, check it out. So we were gonna go to the Cartoon Kitchen, have some breakfast, but we missed out on that. So second option, option number 2, We Bear Bears Cafe. Here's a closer look at the We Bear Bears Cafe Lounge. Definitely a very chill vibe and very well themed. So we're in this interactive room. You get one of these little drawings, you can color it. I wrote a space for 3. You come over to the screen, see all them characters dancing? We're gonna add this to that. Big things popping, big things happening. So we're still here, day 2, Cartoon Network Hotel. We're about to go get our grub on, have some breakfast. They got a breakfast buffet for us, complimentary. So we're going to check it out. All right, so here we are, Cartoon Kitchen. Let's get it. So we're about to get some breakfast buffet. All right, so up first we got some French toast, along with some bitten pancakes, some sausages. We got bacon. And over here we got some star tater tots. And over here we got some scrambled eggs. Got some oranges, apples. I think that's yogurt.
and some cereal, coffee, some croissants, and bagels.
Hey, y'all, so we just finished the breakfast. I gotta say, on a scale from 1 to 10, I'm giving it a 2. Horrible breakfast. Didn't like the eggs, didn't like the pancakes. The bacon was the only thing that was actually good, and probably the sausages. Um, Bagel, stiff, stale. Same thing with the pancakes. I mean, they really gotta step their game up when it comes to the kitchen. And I'm just being 100, so it is what it is.
But enough about that. Let's take a look at the merchandise store. So here we are, We Bear Bears merchandise. We also have Powerpuff Girls, mugs, hoodies, t-shirts, Funko Pops, hats, then Adventure Time, some beanies, some hats, some Epic Win t-shirts, hoodies, and of course, they got Funko Pops as well. Then Steven's Universe, some bags, stickers, tees, plenty of merchandise up in here.
So that's it. We're wrapping it up. Day 2, Cartoon Network Hotel right here, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Saying goodbye to the Cartoon Network Hotel. Y'all make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell, and all that good stuff. And don't forget to see new places, meet new faces, and always leave a space for love. Peace.